A renewed push to require clergy members in Utah to report confessions of sex abuse to law enforcement.
Well, currently, Utah law does not require church leaders to report when a perpetrator confesses. And there's a new example coming to light, raising the question, should the law change? ABC4's Andrew Reeser has more.
These Davis County court documents show church leaders did not report to law enforcement when a man confessed to creating and distributing child pornography.
We've chosen not to show that man's face or identify him, since he already served time and was charged as a juvenile. But should his Latter-day Saint church leaders have been required to report his crimes to law enforcement? Ryan McKnight says yes. He brought this story to our attention as the founder of the Truth and Transparency Foundation, which is the group behind Mormon Leaks.
When we're talking about the abuse of children, I think it's an easy line in the sand to draw for most people.
In Utah, if someone confesses that they abused a child to a Catholic priest, a Latter-day Saint bishop, or any other clergy member, that confession is considered privileged. A law Democratic Representative Angela Romero is working to change next session, requiring ecclesiastical leaders to report directly to law enforcement when a perp confesses. Romero wasn't available for comment today, but McKnight hopes her proposed measure passes next session.
I've never met anybody in real life who thinks that clergy should not be mandatory reporters.
Currently, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints handbook does encourage church leaders to report abuse to legal authorities, but it's not required to report it to law enforcement under the law.
Several states now require clergy members to report abuse confessions. It remains to be seen if Utah will join that list. Reporting in the newsroom, Andrew Reeser, ABC4 News.